Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily block bad words on Spotify. It is quite simple and easy, but before starting the video make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So first of all, open Spotify application. Now tap on your profile at top left corner of your screen. Now tap on settings and privacy. Once you're on this page, you will see an option Allow explicit content. To block bad words on Spotify, simple toggle off this switch or here. Once you do this, it will disable explicit content on Spotify. That's how you can easily block bad words on Spotify. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.